Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we are going to see how to enter text in text field using Selenium. Okay, so already I have opened the Eclipse. You can open if you are not open with the Eclipse. Right click on the package which is already created in the previous session. Okay, so if you are not watched the previous session, you can go and watch. I will give the video link in the description. Okay, so right click on the first Selenium script and click on new and click on class. Okay, give some name like text field automation. Okay, and select public static void main in order to add the main. Okay, click on finish. Now the main is created and we have a Java class with text field automation name. Okay, so in the previous session we discussed how to open a URL in Chrome browser using Selenium. Okay, we also need the same code here also, so I will copy the same code and paste it in text field automation Java class. Okay, so this particular two-line code will open the URL in Chrome browser. Okay, now additionally we want to send keys to some text field. Okay, so we will try to automate text field available in the google.co.in. Okay, first you open the google.co.in. Here you have some text field. Okay, we will try to enter text in this particular text field. Okay, in order to automate any web element in the web page, you need to be getting the locator for that particular web element. Okay, that is a basic thing we need to be doing before starting with the automation. Okay, so you can right click on the text field and click on inspect element. So this will allow us to get the locator. Okay, so the highlighted one is the one which is having the locator for the text field. Okay, so here you need to be getting the unique value for automation. Okay, so here the locator should be unique, then only it will be finding whenever you run the automation. If you take some dynamic value, your automation script will be getting failed. Okay, so now I will take name equal to q. Okay, so currently this name equal to q seems to be unique. Okay, so I will take this particular q and pass it in the automation. Okay, so in order to find element in Selenium you need to be typing driver driver dot find element. Okay, so you have two options. If you type fin, you will be getting two options. Okay, select the first option, that is having find element. Okay, now we will type by dot name. As we are going to find the element using name, we can click on name. Okay, so in the Safari we can find out the value given for name, it is q. Okay, so I will pass q in double quotes. Now give some name for this, add equal to, and before that you add text field element. Okay, so mouse over on the error, you will be getting create local variable. When you are clicking that, you will be getting web element added to it. Okay, so here it is showing us yellow color because we not used in any place. So once we are using that particular text field element, it will be going off. Okay, so here we are going to pass the action. Currently we find the element. Now we are going to tell to the element that what action we are going to perform on it. Okay, so I am copying and pasting the same thing and click on dot. Now enter send keys. Send keys is the one given by Selenium for sending some text to text field. Okay, click on send keys and in quotes I am typing tiger. Okay, you can end with semicolon. Now the first line, 12th line will be opening the Chrome driver. Okay, so the second line driver.get http google.co.in will open this particular URL. The third line, it will be finding the element using name, that is q. The value given in the website is q, so we are passing that. After that we are trying to send key, what action I need to perform on that particular web element. I am saying like send keys to that particular text field. Okay, I am passing tiger, it will be typing tiger in that. Okay, so now I will add some wait time also, thread.sleep for 5 seconds, then only you can observe what it is typing. Okay, so in thread.sleep you will be getting some error like this. Mouse over on that, mouse over on that one, click on the add throws declaration. Okay, it will add a throws exception in the top. Now I am going to quit or close the browser. Okay, you can use anything because we are having only single window, so we can close it. Even here you can use quit also. Okay, both the things works. Okay, I will go with close for now. Now our program is ready, so we can try to execute it. Okay, right click, run as Java application. Now you see tiger is typed and 5 seconds it is waiting and the browser is closed. So I will rerun one more time. You can observe Google Chrome is opening, tiger is typed, it is waiting for 5 seconds. After that it is getting closed. Okay, the web session is closed here. If you are going with quit, it will also do the same action, but additionally in the background it will clear all the memory used. Okay, so it is better to use driver.quit always. When there is some specific purpose, you can use driver.close. Okay, currently I'm rerunning, currently I'm using quit. Okay, there will be no difference, you will be observing. So it is waiting for 5 seconds and it will get closed. Okay, so that's all I have for this video. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Okay, thank you for watching.